how to come up with new content to make videos on and write articles. If you've ever been in a situation where you need to figure out how do I come up with the topics or the headlines for me to make videos on, or if you need to write blog articles for your website, this is what today's video is going to be about. Hi, Legal Funnel members. Hope you guys are doing well. And Legal Funnel, we help lawyers grow and automate their law firm. And what we do is I take all the lessons that I am applying today as a lawyer practitioner and that I do for growing my law firm, and I share that with our audience here at Legal Funnel. So if you are a lawyer and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe now. All right, so what I'm about to share with you is an internal video. Whenever I provide instructions to my team, I always record it. It's either recorded on Zoom or I record the instructions on Loom, and I usually get those videos and I upload it into an internal way. Either I upload the instructional videos to Loom and I have it basically stored, and I also link it out in our standard operating procedures, that every time that I need to provide those instructions in the future, we could always go back to it and just say, hey, just go do this. Or if we bring on new employees or new VAs, I always go back into our old trainings and just tell them, hey, this is how you do it. Okay. So the cool part is today I'm going to share with you guys one of those internal videos that I just recorded just 2 days ago. And the video you're about to see is exactly my internal video that I share exactly my secret sauces about how to come up with new topics, and you'll be able to see that. All right, so let's go to the video. All right, so this is how to do keyword research. Let's just say you have it's called a target keyword, which is, let's say, California Professional Corporation, but you want to find what other combinations of keywords around that, around the target keyword you can make videos on and articles on. So first thing you do is you just put into Google Professional Corporation California, Corporation California, and one is this right here. Before you press enter, all of these that come up. So, but you have to not the keyword. Good keyword has to have good intent. Like, somebody who's searching for Secretary of State, they're looking for the Secretary of State website for professional corp. So that one's not relevant for us. Professional corporation in California taxation, they're wondering how it's taxed. So that could potentially be something where maybe that could be a potential client who's looking to create a new corporation, a new professional corporation. Professional corporation S corp, yeah, that's somebody who's like looking to do that. Professional medical corporation California, great. That's for the doctors, the lawyers. This one, they're looking for bylaws. Possibly, yeah, that could work for somebody who's looking for bylaws, is looking probably to somebody who's looking to set it up. So that one makes sense. Fall Professional Corporation California, definitely. Professional Nursing Corporation California, great. This one we don't really do. So that's one particular thing. Second is press enter. Is right here. People also ask. Also, these at the bottom. So that's the second place. Right here and down here.
Okay.
Then after you do that, you also do the same thing on YouTube. Professional corporation. Let's see what comes up. There we go. Professional corporation versus PLLC. There's all this other stuff. No. How about this? Foreign professional corporation. No, that doesn't get searched that much. This, nothing. So that's one thing right here. That's probably number 3. And number 4 is to see what comes up when you search for that and what is getting a lot of views. So what is a professional corporation? Definitely, yeah, it's 4,000 views, good enough. Other things that I want to do is anybody who's a YouTuber in a similar niche, so such as this law firm one, this business filings, learn about law. That one is, I think, Canadian lawyer. That's us. Maybe possibly this person. I don't know what that is. Definitely this person is one of our main competitors, which I'll have to actually, let's start off with that one. So what you do, I open up all those competitors. I open up new tabs. And what I do is I go under videos, sorted by most popular. So instead of kind of second guessing like what video is going to get views, well, the most popular is YouTube's history of all the people that search for it, that watch the videos. Like literally, it's based on history of, we know that for sure these are good videos and good topics. So, and what I do is I 80/20. Instead of all the videos that he's made, I go and look at his top 20 videos and I pull out all the top videos for that, and those becomes good topics. So 3 mistakes when buying a business again, but you have to ask yourself, what's the intent behind it, and is it a service that we offer? So when buying a business, no, not really. No. Business lawyer, California, yeah. LLC or S corp, which is better for sure. That one's, let's just say, it's relevant for us. Etc. Limited liability or S corp for sure. So that's what I would do. Other thing you can do is do a search for, well, while you're on do a control F. Well, forming a California Medical Professional Corporation. What if we make a video on forming a California Law Corporation, Professional Corporation, how to form a California, dentist professional corporation? All those are definitely topics. So, control F, see what else can, how to change an LLC to professional corp. That's definitely another one. Whatever that is. All of these, is other things. Other thing you can do is to search. Once you find the thingy, search for professional corporation, and you can see again based on which one gets the most views. This one, let's say, like, there's always, with professional corps, there's always every niche, let's say like all the medical, law, whatever, dentist, there's always like people wondering about name requirements or like people deciding between an LLC or this for that type. So try to figure out the trend for, like, what other combinations can we make based on this popular video.
Okay.
So these are all, this guy's actually our main professional corp person that we definitely want to go really study and understand what they've done and make more videos than him. And then same thing, let me just quickly for this one, videos most popular. I do there we go, 10,000 views in one year. That's a lot.
Yeah.
No. Again, it has to be relevant for us. No, a lot of employment stuff, but not thing. There we go. Professional corporations overview, advantages, disadvantages, things like that. So that's another one.
Why choose biz filings?
Biz filings, sort my most popular. Be careful of these random ones that are like very short videos, like minute or two videos. These are ads, so don't get misled by the views. You know what the 80/20 principle is?
That 80% of that 20% of, or 80% of the revenue comes from 20% of the effort.
Good, exactly. 80% of the output of, like, the result comes from 20% of the stuff. So out of, let's say, out of all the videos, only 20% of their videos brings 80% of all the views. So why go make all the videos when you could just go find the top 20% of videos that brings us 80% of the views? That's the same idea. And also, like, services like that. How much time you spend with your friends? You spend 80% of your time with 20% of your friends. This is a pretty cool idea. 80% of your revenue comes from 20% of your services. You make 80% of your revenue from 20% of your top clients usually. If you're like, it's a little bit more distributed. If it's not like transactions, like, doing the same thing. But yeah, always use that to your advantage. Like, you can do all these things, but let me always go find the top best thing I could do and only make content or go do the things for those top ones. And then that means ignore the bottom ones.
Okay.
Go make content about those top 3 or 4 ones.
Okay. Cool.
So cool. So that's how you do keyword research. And I just realized that I could also use this video for our YouTube channel. So I'm actually going to be posting this.
Perfect. Yes.
So you want to say hi to YouTube?
Hi, YouTube. Hi, Mom.
All right, guys. Hey, if you got value from this, give this video a like, subscribe.